Benny, my super dwarf retic, is back at it again. As you can see, he is shedding, he is peeing, he is pooping, he is making a mess all over this enclosure. And yes, I'm gonna have to clean this up, but once he finally is done shedding, he is gonna look so beautiful. And for those of you who have been following this channel, you do know that Benny has a small case of scale rot, and once this shed is completely off, it will be pretty much gone by then. So I cannot wait for Benny to be done shedding. He's doing an absolutely terrific job.